Hello and welcome to Canada Finance, your one-stop shop to cop a sweet bag of profit here in Canada. Thank you to everyone who watched my previous video and subscribed. 100 subscribers so far is incredible. Thank you so much. Last week we had a huge push in infrastructure stocks, crypto-related stocks, as well as clean energy and electric vehicles. These stocks held steady in their incline all the way up until Thursday and Friday. If you were in on my Patreon, you received a notification to sell your crypto stocks on Thursday, as they would tank on Friday, and they certainly did. The people who were not in on that may have possibly lost 10 to 20% of their profits. Electric vehicle stocks went down significantly as Tesla had some severely bad press, as well as general hopeful news has been pushed farther down the line for many of these stocks, so a lot of people were selling at the current peak. Infrastructure related stocks had a spike near the end of last week. However, they had settled just above their opening price points for that day. When we have a push like this, we understand that there's a lot of excitement in the market, as well as a little uneasy tension, as many people are taking their profits at these peaks. This will lead us into an incredible opportunity for our buy and sell day trading. Link down below is a Facebook page where I post a lot of updates on what stocks I am hoping for, as well as different opportunities for buying. This is an incredible place for you to follow myself, as well as an incredible group of individuals who are passionate about investing. If you want a more detailed account of the buys and sells that I do daily, as well as my strategies for the future, then you should follow me on Patreon. It is a monthly subscription that ranges from $3 to $25. The $3 gets you instant updates on what I am buying, what I am looking at, and what opportunities are arisen in my research capabilities. At the $9 tier, you have instant messaging to me, where I will respond to you as quickly as possible and get you the advice that you need and the immediate help with your buying and selling to make sure you are more confident in your current trades. And then with 25, we can have bi-weekly one-on-one video calls where I can go through your whole portfolio, analyze where you need to buy, where you need to sell, and figure out what your next moves are to increase your profit for the coming weeks. Before we move on with this video, I would like to let you know that I am not a licensed financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes. Please do your own research and never put too much money into investments that you are not afraid to lose. It is a risk in any form of investment that you may lose the money that you put in, so never put yourself or your family at risk. Today I will be going over how I find the stocks that I believe will rise, how I categorize them into day trades, weekly swing trades, and long-term holds, as well as which stocks I am looking into for this week. All of the stocks that I will be talking about today will be Canadian stocks on the TSX that are also available on Wealthsimple. This makes it the most accessible to all of you at home, as well as I will be using the built-in charts on Wealthsimple in order to analyze these stocks. Even if your broker does not charge commission on American stocks, it is still heavily tied to the American dollar, which currently is not in its best position. With current political turmoil, if that American dollar goes down, the value of your US stocks inherently also goes down. So it is in my best interest, as well as yours, to continually invest in Canadian stocks in order to boost our own economy. Wealthsimple has an incredible feature within its app that allows it to categorize stocks. It does so automatically through the app's continued updates and development. This categorizes your stocks into cannabis, engineering, infrastructure, and so on, that allows you to see which industries you want to put your money in, and allows you to save time looking up individual stocks. You can click on an industry that you're interested in, such as clean energy, open it up and see which players you have and what ones are on the TSX and on the Canadian markets that allow you to invest in. Before doing your research on social media and finding the echo chambers of people who believe wholeheartedly in one individual stock that will lift up their portfolio to the millions, you want to look at the solid numbers available on Wealthsimple. With this method, you can weed out the individual stocks that are underperforming and making it very difficult for you to get a profit from. Any stock that you're looking at through these categories that has significant losses over the course of a week or longer, then you know that this is not a viable trade for you to be using for the short-term investment. If we have a sideways trading stock with peaks and valleys that overall average to a small percentage gain or a very small percentage loss, then this could be a very easy opportunity for you to day trade or a weekly swing trade. If on your monthly chart this stock has a very predictable peak and valley that allows you to buy in at a specific time and then watch it go up to that peak over and over again, then that is a very solid investment for a weekly swing trade. Once you have narrowed down what stocks you are going to choose for this week, you can now start to research the news related to their stocks. I like to deep dive into the previous news that they have released and how that has affected their stock price. So a very good tool for this is an app called Wallmine. Wallmine categorizes the information of news articles related to this stock and then takes that information and relates it to the stock price. So then you can get a story and how that story could have possibly affected the stock price. What I do with this information is now I would look into the financials from the website of that specific company and see what kind of news they will be releasing shortly, and then from there see where that price point may be. IBG is my next pick for a weekly swing trade. IBG is focused on the provision of integrated goods and services in engineering, planning, architecture, and technology. This is an incredible sector to be a part of, as our growing population needs innovative solutions for goods and services. IBG is currently sitting at $9.06, with a high on Friday of $9.25 and a projected high of $9.50 into next week. This high is easily going to be surpassed, but for a swing trade, I want to buy at $9 and sell at $9.45 to secure a 5% profit. This strategy will allow me to reinvest more as this stock drops. If I were to buy 100 shares at $9 and then sell those shares at $9.45, that will get me $45 within a day to 2 days of market open. MEDV operates procuring mineral deposits, primarily exploring a gold deposit in Spain. However, their headquarters are in Toronto, Canada. I will be using MEDV this week as a daily trade. It had a high of 45.5 cents on Friday, and it will continue to have highs around 45 to 50 cents and lows below 40 cents. So I'll be picking these stocks up for 40 cents and selling at 45 to 50 cents throughout the week in order to secure an incredible profit of up to 10%. My last pick for a long-term hold that I'm also currently day trading is NLC. NLC is a company that mines lithium. Lithium is a key component in all of the innovative batteries that you might see in Tesla or any other electric vehicle manufacturer. As the electric vehicle market has dropped last week, so has the price of NLC. It has now settled at $2.78, with previous highs as high as $4 full. So with NLC at this low, it is an incredible buying opportunity. I will be using this to flip the stock when it goes above $3. However, when I am investing in NLC, I'm never selling all of my shares. I want to keep my averages low, so then when it does finally pick up with the eventual overturn of the electric vehicle market, I can secure an extremely high profit margin. What I'm doing is increasing my level of shares in NLC by continually selling on highs and buying back on lows, so I can increase the level of shares and over time increase my profit. A sincere thank you goes out to everyone who's made it this far in the video. If you could please like and subscribe, as well as comment and let me know what you would like me to cover next. I will try to make these videos weekly, every Sunday before the market opens. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.